Hi, this is Chris with Geeks on Command, online computer repair services. That's me on the left. Today I just wanted to discuss online computer repair because I get so many questions about whether or not online computer repair is safe to use. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid computer repair scams and also how to find and vet an online PC repair shop so you can feel safe using them for remote computer support. So, the big question. Is online computer repair safe? What is online computer repair? Online computer repair, also called remote computer repair or remote support, is a fantastic solution for fast, affordable computer help. Using screen share technology, instead of taking your computer to a local computer shop, a computer repair technician can log on remotely to provide live technical support and other computer services over the internet. A certified computer technician can fix remote computer problems like virus removal, as well as malware removal and spyware removal, pop-ups, blue screen errors, Outlook inbox issues, Windows Update not working, repair slow computers, logon errors, PC runs slow, computer tune-up, configure wireless printers, and more. Despite the cost and convenience of online computer support, many people are hesitant to let a stranger access their computer, and we are often asked, is it safe to let someone fix my computer remotely? Well, the answer is both yes and no. The truth is that online support industry is plagued by online computer repair scams that ruin the reputation of legitimate computer repair companies. This is so incredibly frustrating because remote computer service is incredibly helpful when it's provided by a reputable computer repair company. So how do you know if a computer repair company is legitimate? Well, it helps to be aware of how the scammers work so you can avoid them. Never, ever, ever call a phone number if it pops up on your computer screen. This is a super popular scam. It usually presents itself as a pop-up claiming to be from Microsoft or another tech support company. It's usually accompanied by a recording that plays through your speaker. Warning! Your computer is infected. Do not close this window. Call this number immediately. Do not call this number. You likely won't be able to close the window or stop the recording. Instead, hold down the power button of your computer for 10 to 20 seconds until the desktop or laptop turns off. Then call a computer repair technician that you trust to help you remove this virus pop-up. Scammers also like to send emails that are similar in nature. The email will seem to be from Microsoft or some technical support provider, and they'll claim that your computer is infected, or that your passwords have been compromised, and they'll ask you to call the number. Again, do not call this number. It's also a scam. Delete the email and move on with your day. If you're concerned that you might have a virus, call a computer repair provider that you trust to run an antivirus scan. Scammers may even call you on the phone. They'll claim to be Microsoft or a computer repair shop and inform you that they've noticed some issues with your computer. They'll ask to remote connect to fix it for you. Do not give them access to your computer. This is a scam. Microsoft will never call you, and they have no idea what's on your computer. Hang up immediately or yell at them first and then hang up. How to find the best online computer repair company. To find an online computer technician you can trust, you have a few options. You may be tempted to call Geek Squad because they have a legitimate store and offer brand recognition. While they wouldn't be as bad as scammers, I'd still advise against this. They outsource much of their computer fixes to unqualified computer repair techs, and, in my opinion, they charge way too much for their services. Additionally, they install crapware to the computer desktop on every PC they work on. Instead, I would search online for a computer repair store near you. Find one with positive reviews on Google. Visit their website to see if it seems legitimate. No spelling or grammar errors, no pop-ups or animated ads, and includes a local phone number and email address. Visit their social media pages, often found on the website's contact page, and make sure no one has commented anything negative about their experiences. When you've found one that seems like a match, call them to inquire about the remote support process. They should be willing to explain their process and answer any questions you have. If the person on the line seems rude or put out by questions, hang up and move on. You want someone who is friendly, knowledgeable, inquisitive, or just gives good vibes. When you talk with somebody you like, and their remote computer repair prices are in your budget, there's just one more thing to ask, but it's very important. Ask if you can pay by credit card after your computer is repaired. Never ever give your credit card info until after services are rendered and you are satisfied with the results. If the company requires a credit card up front, this is a red flag and I would move on to a different company. If the company you've called passes these tests, you can be 99% sure they are legitimate and can be trusted to service your computer remotely. Once you've used them, if they did a good job, then call only them anytime you need computer services and don't let anyone else remote into your PC. This exclusivity will minimize your exposure to risk. So what computer repairs or tech services can be performed remotely? Most computer services can be performed remotely. The only exceptions are repairs that require hardware replacement, jobs that require configuring internet hardware, router, modems, etc., or computers that don't have internet access. If your computer can get online with a standard broadband connection, not dial-up, not DSL, then a qualified computer technician can help with computer tune-ups, pop-up removal, Windows errors,
program errors, problems with Microsoft Word, problems with Microsoft Excel, problems with Microsoft Outlook, problems with email inbox, can't log into email, can't log into websites, computer freeze up, computer running slow, errors on computer, driver configuration, antivirus solutions, remove computer virus, remove malware, remove spyware, remove bloatware, remove crapware, uninstall unnecessary programs, install software, configure software, Outlook inbox issues, troubleshoot software, driver configuration, system error message pop-ups, .dll missing, error pop-ups, full system scans, computer takes a long time to start, computer optimization, and virus pop-ups.
A lot can be done remotely. So what services can't be done using online tech support? Computer repair. Online computer repair cannot help with most physical computer problems and will be ineffectual for certain internet or network problems. For example, remote support would not be a solution for hard drive replacement, data recovery services, hardware diagnostics, hard drive problems, cracked screens, broken laptop hinges, fix broken computers, computer hardware repair, recover lost data, hardware evaluation like hard drive, RAM memory, video card, motherboard, etc., slow internet, no internet, intermittent internet problems, problems with router, problems with modem, internet problems with mesh network. Those types of things are hardware or internet network related and cannot be done remotely. Does Geeks on Command provide safe online computer repairs? Yes. We offer completely safe, no-contact tech support by phone and screen share, as well as affordable online remote computer repair services and support. We have 5-star online reviews with Google, a no-fix, no-fee guarantee, a no upfront credit card policy, and payment is not required until you're satisfied we've done a good job fixing your computer. Our online live technical support specialties are online virus removal, computer security and identity protection, and computer tune-ups that will truly speed up your computer. We work with all brands and all operating systems: Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Acer, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Apple computers, Chromebook, Chrome OS, desktop computers, laptop computers, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. We don't offer free diagnostics or a free evaluation, but we're confident we can fix your computer faster than many of the cheap remote computer repair places. This will save you money in the long run. A free computer diagnosis is often just a way to make a list of things to fix that don't honestly need fixing, so their services cost you more in the end. How much does a computer repairman cost? The cost of online computer repair varies, but here at Geeks on Command we charge $75 per hour. Our online computer support prices are far less than Geek Squad prices. We'll do a better job and you'll have a better experience. For reference, how much does the Geek Squad charge to look at a computer? Geek Squad charges per individual service, ranging from $39 to $149. Every computer they look at is required to get a $149 computer diagnostic. Then they bill separately for every additional service: virus removal, add $149. Windows update, another $39. Software install, tack on $39. In our experience, the average cost of a Geek Squad remote computer repair is well over $300. Ridiculous. This video is brought to you by Geeks on Command Computer Repair, with locations in Boulder, Colorado, Roseland, New Jersey, and Hackensack, New Jersey. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line at support@geeksoncommand.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.